Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will learn to create a project in Google Cloud Console, create a service account, and create an OAuth client ID. So, open your browser. Type Google Cloud Console. Click on the first link. Now click on the console. Here you will see the project section. Click on it. Now click on a new project. Provide the project name. Now click on Create. It will take some time to create the project. Your project has been created. Now click on the project section. Select your project. To create a service account, click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Select the service account. Fill in the details for the service account. At last, click on Done. Your service account has been created. Click on Manage Service Accounts. Here you will find all the service accounts. Now click on Actions. Select Manage Keys. Click on the Add key. Select Create New Key. Select the JSON and then click on Create. In the Downloads, you see your credentials JSON file has been downloaded. This credential JSON file you can use in your application to authenticate Google application credentials. Now, let's create an OAuth client ID. Click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Select OAuth Client ID. Now click on the Configure Consent screen. Select anyone from internal or external. Internal is only available to users within your organization. External is available to any text user with a Google account that you will add. Select the external. Click on Create. Now fill in the app information. Here are options for the app logo and app domain, which you can provide according to your need. It is not mandatory. Provide developer contact information. Now click on Save and Continue. Next, you can add scopes according to your application needs. Click on Save and Continue. Now add the test users. You can add up to 100 test users for your application. Click on Save and Continue. Now you can summarize the registration. Click on Back to Dashboard. Now click on the Credentials section. Click on Create Credentials. Select OAuth Client ID. Now provide the application type. Click on Create. Your OAuth Client ID has been created. In today's video, we learned to create a project in Google Cloud Console, to create a service account, and to create an OAuth Client ID. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.